Okay, this is a little disappointing. I'm here getting my BTS meal because it is the 26th of May. I'm at McDonald's. I placed my order through the app. Do that. Check your daily deals because you can get a coupon. So I got $2 off my $10 purchase. Order online. I was number 3. Waited in the car for more than the 5 minutes that it said that it would take for my order to be ready. So as I'm walking into the restaurant, waiting for nearly 10 minutes, he's coming out with my food. So here we go. I was number 3. Disappointed because the bag, as you can see, the bag is not the purple bag. And inside, I got the fries, I got the sauces. Yeah, my husband wanted a double cheeseburger because we're going to share the meal. And I got an apple pie because I had to get to the $10 to get the $2 off. Did that make any sense? Probably not, but I'm a sucker for a coupon. But I got the sandwiches and the packaging. The chicken nuggets is not in the purple package. Chicken nuggets is not in the purple package. So very disappointing because I don't even really like McDonald's, right? But I love BTS, so I thought, well, I gotta do it to try it. And so sad. And my drink is not purple either. So McDonald's, you have failed me. That's about it. So I'm gonna go home now. My husband and I were going to eat our McDonald's. He's gonna have his double cheeseburger. I'm gonna have my apple pie. And we'll see what the sauces taste like. We'll see what the sauces taste like. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I am home and I got my bag. It's not purple. Took the goodies out. I got the large fry. I ate some of them because you're supposed to when you're in the car. You just gotta eat the fries. That's what you're supposed to do. The McDonald's container is not purple, so that's a disappointment. But like I said, we're going to share these. And my husband, I will have 5. He will have 5 because there's 10 in there. So I'm putting those on the plate. And to get the coupon for the $10 or $2 off a $10 purchase, I bought an apple pie. So I spent $1.50 to get $2 off, I think. Makes sense. And to get to the $10, husband wanted a double cheeseburger. That's his meal. Okay. And I got the 2 sauces. Oh, the sauces have like writings on them. So I guess that is somewhat BTS related. Because that's not what they had before. It's like Cajun and sweet chili. So this is the sweet chili chicken nugget. Oh, it smells spicy. What do you think?
Smells good.
You like spicy stuff. Nice crunch in chicken nugget. Well, that's spicy. I got some kick. Okay.
That's good.
I got it. Oh, and the drink's not purple. I think the drink's supposed to be purple. So, bummer. So I got Dr. Pepper. I know this says comes with the Coke. We a Dr. Pepper family. Ooh, that's a little spicy. If you don't like spicy, if you can't deal with hot, you may not like it. It's good, but okay.
It's good.
Here's the Cajun one. Gosh, if the sweet chili was spicy, I don't know what the Cajun one's going to be like. Let's see. Oh, it looks. It looks gross.
Is that mayonnaise?
It looks like it's mayonnaise based. I don't like anything with mayonnaise in it. Okay, I'm just going to. Let me fix my face. This is going to be delicious.
Let's go for it.
I don't have a lot on there, so I don't know what it tastes like. I'm double dipping, but it's okay. We're married. Ew, you double dip too. Okay. Got a lot on it.
honey mustard.
Yeah, it tastes like honey mustard. It tastes like a spicy honey mustard. Because it doesn't taste all that sweet. But it does taste tangy. It got a little mustard in it. Okay, so overall, I like the flavors of the sweet chili, but it's spicy. The Cajun has a different taste, but it's nothing drastic. Nothing to write home about. You write home about the sweet chili, because, yeah. I think I'm going to finish the rest of my 4 nuggets with lots of water, eating the sweet chili. And I gotta save room for my apple pie. Bam. I wonder if we have some ice cream. We could warm this up and eat it with some ice cream. Alright, so that is my thoughts on the BTS McDonald's meal. Like I said, I don't really do McDonald's because I don't like McDonald's, because I really can't do fast food. But if McDonald's get their stuff together, you know, I may try it again. Just get the sweet chili with lots of water, and I want to see the purple bag. I want to see the purple container. Like, I want to see the purple. I need the purple because it's like all about the purple. That's the BTS color. So, oh, okay. Overall, this presentation, disappointing. Sauces, I'll give it 5 stars out of 5 stars in the sweet chili. The Cajun, I would say 3 out of 5 stars. 3 out of 5 stars. Chicken nuggets, I forgot how good these were. They're not bad. Those are my thoughts. What would you rate them?
Sauces?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's hot.
I like the sweet chili.
Sweet chili's where is that?
You can have the Cajun.
I ain't want the Cajun. You can have the Cajun. Someone's eating the Cajun. I ain't eating the Cajun. Alright. I better go before I start rambling, which is what I do, so bye!